Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. I am ALBIN research scholar at Loyola College, Chennai. So, the topic that we are going to discuss today is about the IPO that happened in the last week. Like it happened between December 12th to 14th, and today the allotment for that IPO is going to happen. So, this IPO, why we are talking today? This is just for an educational purpose. This video, just we are going to analyze about the company, its financials, and whether to buy or not. And we are not interested in subscribing to this IPO because it's highly overpriced. This content is available in Tamil in our own MoneyPage YouTube channel, and the link for that video is given in the description below. So let's get started. This IPO, the Sula Vineyards, which is based in Nasik, they have come up with an IPO for nearly 960 crores, which accounts for about 32% of the company's stake. And the promoter has decided to dilute nearly 5% of his stake in the company, and other early investors of the company are going to dilute their stake. So, this person, Rajiv Samant, is a Stanford University graduate. He has completed BA Economics as well as he has completed Masters in Engineering Management in the same university and has worked in Oracle as a project manager. And after that, in the year 1996, he came back to India and started his first vineyard. And in the year 2000, he started this wine manufacturing business. So, after about 22 years, now they are the market leaders in the wine segment. In this sector, they hold about 52% market share. And the IPO size, as I've already told you, it's around 960 crores. And the price band they have fixed is around 340 to 357. So, mostly they will be fixing at around 357 rupees, which accounts for about 42 shares per lot. And the grey market premium for this share in the beginning was around 30 to 40, but on December 14 it was just 10 rupees, and we don't know how much it's going to get listed. This IPO has been subscribed overall at 2.33 times, and the retail investors have subscribed the IPO for nearly 1.65 times. And this is not a fancy number at all, because the company's PE ratio is nearly 52 times. Like the company's price to earnings is around 52 to 53 times, and the debt equity ratio for this company is nearly 0.52. So for every 1 rupee they have borrowed some 0.5 rupee, like that. And the products for this company, they are into manufacture and distribution of wine products. They have some 56 labels of wine from elite segment, premium, economy, as well as in popular segment as well. And they own nearly 13 brands. That in their own brands they release about 13 labels, and they import and distribute nearly 21 international brands. And the market share for this company is nearly 52% in wine segment, and they have a point of sale of nearly 23,000 outlets. So nearly 38% of this company's revenue comes from the top 5 consumers, which includes many state governments, major distributors, and so on. And the profit growth for this company is not appealing at all, because in the year of 2018 their profit was 11.42 and it kept on decreasing, and in the year 2020 their profit growth was minus 2.54, which is a negative profit growth. They have claimed it because of some COVID impact, and they have written off some goodwill as well. So in the year 2022, their profit growth was only 2.85, which is not a good number at all. And because of this, the profit growth is not so good, but they have overpriced. The P ratio is nearly 52.6%, and they export their wine products to nearly 20 countries. And in India, they have a market distribution in nearly 25 states and in 6 union territories. In comparison to their peers, the valuation of United Breweries, United Spirits, and Radio Khaitan, this company's PE ratio is quite good, 52%. But the revenue that the other companies make, like United Breweries, they are nearly 128 times priced, and even United Spirits are nearly 80 times priced than their earnings, but their revenue is very much high than this company. United Spirit, their revenue is nearly 68 times of that of Sula Vineyards. The major drawback for this company is that in India, nearly they are dominating in the wine segment for more than 52% market share, and their other competitors are Fratelli, Grover Zampa, and so on. And overall, across the globe, the average level of wine market is at 13%, But in India, the spirits segment dominate the most. They are nearly 80%, and wine segment contributes lesser than 1%, and in that only this company holds 52% market share. So the scope for them to expand is very much limited. This company, Sula Vineyards, also has two vineyard resort. It's for some wine tourism, it seems, and they conduct a music festival every year for some 2 days, and nearly 10,000 people attend this ceremony, it seems. So there are some positives about this company, but there are many negatives as well, because this company, even though it's a wine manufacturing company, it comes into the ambit of alcohol. So in India, our government impose a tax for this company on par with the alcohol segment. So there is an high tax slab for this product. Another thing to note that if they wish to increase the retail prices of their wine products, they need to get the state government permission in certain states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, Telangana and all. They need to get the state government's permission to increase the retail prices. And another important thing is that they have restrictions for advertising. And as I already told you, in India, they are not dominant par at all, because the world average for the wine market segment is around 13%, but in India, it's lesser than 1%. The gestation period for this wine segment is too long, but it is positive as well as it's a negative factor for this company. Negative factor is in the sense their earnings or their profits or their revenue will take some time to get generated, and the process of harvesting a grape till the processing of wine, it takes a lot of time. The capital gets locked in that thing. Another important positive note is that the gestation period for this wine segment is too high, and it limits the new players to enter into the market. Another positive note for this company is that import duty restriction, that is the international brands, when they enter into the Indian market, the government has levied a huge amount of taxes. So that's another competitor cut thing for this company. So back in 2000, they started their first wine manufacturing, and now in the 2022 they have nearly 52% market share in this segment. But even then, their scope or their possibility for expansion is very much limited, because in India, the wine segment is less than 1%. Another important thing is that they have priced their IPO at a very higher level, at around 53 times the PE ratio. So when they get listed in the market, we can expect a dip in their market share. We can even see them trading around 200 or 250 in the near future. So that time we can just decide whether to buy or not this company, the Sula Vineyards. So let's wait until then. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, click on the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification as well. Thank you all.
I want to thank all of you for supporting our event in Oman with great enthusiasm. A lot of people turned up in Oman, and a place where I don't have much influence. I wish to thank all of you for your support. The next event is going to be in Qatar, Doha. The event is scheduled for the last week of January. Those who would like to meet me in person in Qatar, Doha, or come to our event in Doha can send their request to the mail ID given below or contact the WhatsApp number flashing on the screen. My team will respond to you. See you in Qatar in the last week of Jan. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.